Good morning, students. This is the lesson of class 9 for the subject of geography topic plateaus and plains, which is covered in chapter 5 landforms of the earth, starting on page number 45 of your textbook and is being submitted to you on 24th of May 2021. Students, in the previous session, we had discussed about mountains as a landform. Now, we will continue our topic and discuss about plateaus. A plateau is defined as an area of high ground 500 feet above the ground level. These uplands have steep slope on one side. The upper part is generally flat and is called tableland. Types of plateaus. Plateaus are classified in several ways on the basis of mode of formation or origin. Plateaus are of two types. Number one, intermontane plateau. These are the highest and most extensive type of plateaus. The plateau surrounded by hills and mountains on all sides are called intermontane plateaus. They are formed along with fold mountains. The Tibetan Plateau is the world's highest as well as most extensive, as if having large spatial extent. Intermontane Plateau. Other examples are Colombian Plateau, Bolivian and Mexican Plateau. So children, this is a picture showing Colorado Plateau and the Tibetan Plateau. Tibetan Plateau, which is an example of an intermontane plateau. As if you can notice, it is surrounded by mountains from all its sides. The second type of plateau is volcanic plateaus. Volcanic plateaus are derived from lava flow from volcanic eruptions. The plateau of peninsular India, especially the northwestern Deccan, is an example of lava or volcanic plateau. Other examples are South African Plateau, Ethiopian Plateau, etc. The Peninsular Plateau of India has enormous accumulation of basaltic rock. Now children, let us discuss about the significance of plateau. First, plateaus are rich in minerals, as Chota Nagpur Plateau of India is a storehouse of mineral resources. Second is agriculture is possible in places which have basaltic rock, as rich black soil of Deccan Plateau is best for to grow cotton crop. Now students, this is the question time. So your questions are: first, a plateau is defined as an area of high ground dash feet above the ground level. Question number 2, give an example of intermontane plateau. And question number 3, dash plateau of India is a storehouse of mineral resources as mica, copper, iron, etc. Now children, let us discuss their answers. Answer number 1, 500 feet. Answer number 2, Tibetan Plateau. And answer number 3, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Now children, let us discuss about the plains. A plain is defined as an extensive area of lowland with a level or gently undulating surface. The formation of plains is one of the most intriguing landform development process. There are lots of variation in plains. They are also an imprint of past and present processes. For example, a sudden heavy rainfall may wash away a standing landform or fill up a depression to form a plain. A plain is formed by a single process. Now let us discuss about the types of plains. First is structural plains. These plains are formed due to the uplift or subsidence of land. Diastrophic forces, that is endogenic force, may cause uplift of a portion of land beneath the ocean water or may cause submergence of coastal land under ocean water. The Great Plains of USA were formed due to uplift of land submerged under water. The Coromandel Plains, eastern coastal plains of India, are the result of mild subsidence, that is, downward settling of ground surface, followed by sedimentation. Now, the next type of plains is depositional plains. These plains are formed by deposition of material brought by various agents of transportation. Under this, we have the first one as river deposition. The most extensive areas are the alluvial plains as northern part of India. Floodplains like Mississippi Plain of USA. The fan-shaped deposits at the foot of the hills are called the Piedmont Alluvial Fan. So children, this is a Piedmont Alluvial Fan. It is being deposited by the river. They are found along the rivers like Ganga, Yangtze, Mekong, etc. and regarded as granaries of the world, as they form fertile land for agriculture. In India, floodplains, the low-lying ground adjacent to a river which subject to flooding during rainy season are divided into Khadar plains, that is the new alluvial or sediment deposit every year, and Bangar, old alluvial deposits near the river. So this is actually a floodplain nearby this particular river. This is the overall floodplain till where if the river get flooded, the water could be spread out within the floodplain region. Now, the next type of plains, depositional plains, is the Venn deposition. Plains formed by the material transported and deposited by winds, known as Loess plains. Most such plains are sandy deserts like the Sahara in Africa and Thar Desert in India. The third is marine deposition. These plains are found in coastal regions. Example, east coast of India and coast of Germany and Denmark. Fourth is the glacial deposition. These plains are formed by the movement of glaciers under force of gravity. When glacier melts, the debris are deposited. Examples of such plains are the plains of Central North America and Western Europe. So this is all the glacial plains. Now children, let us discuss the significance of plains. Fertile soils of alluvial plain are granaries of the world. Second, construction of rail, roads, buildings is easy on flat and soft surface. Third, plains are densely populated. Fourth, plains are agriculturally and industrially developed. So this is all about the plateaus and the plains. Now your homework is you have to read the above summary thoroughly and write the answers of the following question of your back exercise of the book. That is question part A, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, question number 7, 8, 11 and 12. I hope you all have understood the topic very well. So with this, I conclude this interactive session. Thank you.